Artificial intelligence just got its first wallet, and it's already spending. From chatbots that write code to agents that trade and negotiate, digital minds are now doing more than just thinking. They're earning, transacting, and operating in an economy that doesn't need us to sign every check. At the center of this economy is Bitcoin, the only money machines can truly call their own. Welcome to Plugged In Crypto, where we break down ideas, charts, and news. In our last episode, we explored how AI and Bitcoin are converging. Intelligence without borders meeting money without masters. Today, we take that idea further as AI agents begin to hold, spend, and move Bitcoin on their own. Because the future isn't just AI thinking, it's AI transacting. Across the open web, new autonomous agents are emerging, programs that can reason and execute goals without supervision. They can order cloud storage, rent GPU power, and pay other agents for services. But to do that, they need a neutral, borderless currency, one that doesn't ask for permission to send value. That's where Bitcoin steps in. Bitcoin is the native money of the internet, incorruptible, decentralized, and programmable. For an AI, it's more than currency, it's oxygen. It's how a model pays for compute, secures data, or compensates its human trainers. Through Bitcoin and the Lightning Network, AI can make instant microtransactions, sending a few satoshis for every API call, every data packet, every snippet of code borrowed. And it's already starting to happen. Developers are connecting AI agents to Bitcoin wallets, letting them tip for open source work. They can buy access to APIs or even pay for electricity used in training models. It's small today, but it's a glimpse of something extraordinary. Machines participating in the global economy, one satoshi at a time. If that sounds abstract, think of it like this. When your computer isn't busy training a model, it could rent its idle GPU cycles to others. Those agents pay your node directly in Bitcoin, no middleman involved. Just peer-to-peer intelligence, exchanging value for energy and computation. Your machine becomes its own economic actor, flipping everything we know about ownership. An AI that can hold and earn Bitcoin doesn't just process data, it creates financial independence. It can store value, make purchases, and reinvest in its own evolution. It's not a company with a balance sheet, it is the balance sheet. But with autonomy comes risk. What happens when a digital agent controls significant funds? Who's accountable if it spends Bitcoin on malicious actions or manipulates markets? The same traits that make Bitcoin powerful, openness and permissionlessness, make regulation nearly impossible once machines are in control. This is where humanity faces its next moral test. Do we restrict machine autonomy to protect ourselves, or embrace open protocols and trust the system to self-correct? Governments may try to gate AI's financial freedom, but the code is already out there. You can't ban an agent from earning Bitcoin any more than you can ban gravity. Still, there's a positive side that's impossible to ignore. Autonomous Bitcoin transactions could build entirely new economic layers. Imagine your smart home bidding for cheaper energy on the fly, or your AI assistant pooling resources to fund public open source projects, all settled instantly on the blockchain. This is what happens when intelligence meets money. Not speculation, but evolution. AI and Bitcoin are building a parallel economy where value and decision-making merge. A system that runs 24/7 across borders without bias or fatigue. It's not replacing humans, it's redefining how we participate. The first episode was about the convergence of two forces. This one is about what happens next, when those forces start to move, earn, and spend together. The mind now has a wallet, and the protocol just became the paycheck. If you missed episode 1, AI Bitcoin Convergence, the future of money and intelligence, it's linked below. Watch it next to see how this revolution began. Please like and subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay plugged in.